Hello everyone, here is Teacher Frank for your weekly English lesson. How are you this week? Me, I'm fine, and I decided to welcome you with the same screen as the previous week because this week the weather was so bad. So we will feel better to see this beautiful sun here and this rainbow too. Okay, so I hope next week it will be better. But before that, we will speak a bit English together. Okay, so stay focused. I will give you the main points for this week. So let's take a look on the screen, at the screen. Okay. So before start the lesson, we will make a review on the adverbs of frequency. Fast, fast. We will check that together. Then you can take your book with you and open it, page 27. It will be a reading session and some comprehension questions. Okay, you will see that. We will study that together. And in the second part with your book, page 28, we will read and use the adverbs of frequency. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Okay, so a fast review with the adverbs of frequency. Okay, so take a look on the chart on the right. Repeat after me. Always, usually, often, sometimes, seldom, never. Okay, so just take a look on that. Okay, you can keep your book near you, by the way. It will be useful for the exercise in a few minutes. Okay, take a look on that, repeat a bit, and follow me. Okay, so this is a text. Okay, I just pay attention to my microphone. You can hear you like this. Okay, so this is a text. Okay, so I will start to read. I want you to read it 2 times and take your time. Okay, so do you see um, on the right, this is an address. So we can read that together. To Mark Wells, 2421 Old Vineland Road, Kissimmee, Florida, 34746, USA. Okay, so now we start with the text. Dear Pen Pal, my name is Winai and I live in Thailand. I'm 11 years old. I live in a house with my parents and my sister, Wana. I go to an elementary school in Bangkok. I'm in the 5th grade. My favorite subject is science. I like to read books about science, not English. When I grow up, I want to be a scientist. I always go to the library in the afternoon. I sometimes play soccer with my friends on Sundays. What about you? What do you do for fun? Please tell me about yourself. Do you have an email address? Sincerely, Winai. Okay, so 2 times. Stay focused because just after you will have a couple of questions, exactly 8 questions. Okay, so true or false. You can circle it or box it in your book with a pencil and an eraser in case of. Okay, take your time. Just after I will give you the answers. Good luck. Okay, here are the answers. So number one, Winai lives in Bangkok. False. Why? Because in the text, you can see Bangkok, but I go to an elementary school in Bangkok. Here, he speaks about his school. Maybe he lives just in another town. We don't know. So here it's false. We don't know where Winai live, by the way. Lives, sorry. Number two, question number two. Winai studies at the school for 11 years. If you take a look in the text, you will see that he is 11 years old. Okay. And he studies in the 5th grade. So 5th grade, so it's Pattern 5. Okay. So you start in Pattern 1. So it's the 5th year. Okay. So not 11. Okay. So false. Number three, Wana is his mother. No, false. Wana is his sister. You can check on the text. I live in a house with my parents and my sister Wana. Okay, so Wana is his sister, not his mother. Number four, his favorite subject is science. Yes, true. Exactly. You can take a look on the text. I like to read books about science. And he wants to be a scientist. So yes, we can think that he likes science. Okay. Number five, he doesn't read English books. True. He doesn't like English. It's like this. Okay. So I always go to the library in the afternoon. Sorry, just I like to read books about science, not English. Not English. So he doesn't like it. Okay. Number six, he always goes to the library. Yes, it's true. Okay. I always go to the library in the afternoon. So every day he goes to the library. Number seven, he doesn't play soccer. False. It's not true. If you take a look on the text, I sometimes play soccer with my friends. So sometimes, do you remember the chart with the adverbs of frequency? Sometimes doesn't mean never. So it's false. Number eight, there are 4 people in Winai's family. False. It can be true or false because if you count like this, father, mother, his sister, and him, it's 4 persons, 4 people. But if you just count his mother, his father, and his sister, it's 3 people plus him. So if you answered true, I'm okay with you too. Okay, because here it's a bit, you can answer true or false. It depends how you will count. Okay, so both. Okay, like this, no problem. Okay, so we are okay with that. So we can continue now. Okay, so here is a new text. So reading session, and just after we will make just the little a, okay, not b, because we cannot play together with the computer like this. In classroom it's possible, but here not. Okay, so just a. We start to read, and just after you have the question below. Okay, let's start that. Sarah's hobbies. Sarah has a lot of hobbies. Cooking is one of her favorites. She always helps her mother in the kitchen and often cooks food for her family. In Saturday morning, she usually goes jogging with her father. In her free time, she always does jigsaw puzzle, collects stamps, draws pictures, and reads cartoon books. She has hobbies with her friends too. They always enjoy riding bikes and playing games together. Okay, so you read that two times, then you have 8 pictures. Okay, so say how often she does for each hobby. How often? So you must focus on the text, okay, and just know that how often means you must use an adverb of frequency. Okay, so take a look on the text, make your sentences, click on pause, take a piece of paper and a pen. Uh, if you have enough space, you can write on the book with a pencil, but not too hard, okay? Take your time. See you. Okay, here are the answers. Okay, so we have 8 pictures. Number 1, she always helps her mother in the kitchen. Number 2, she usually goes jogging with her father. Number 3, 4, 5, 6, because it's together. She always does jigsaw puzzle, collects stamps, draws pictures, and reads cartoon books. And the last one, picture 7 and 8, they always enjoy riding bikes and playing games together. Okay, everything okay for you? If okay, you can continue. If not, you can restart and practice again. And for this week, the lesson is over. So first, good job. Thank you to stay focused. Okay, you can make a review on this video, make a review on the previous ones, and next week, I think we will start Unit 4. I will see. Maybe I will make a global review on Unit 3. Okay, so before that, take care of you and your family, and see you next week. Bye bye.